Hey friends, it's Laurie. Thank you so much for stopping by. Most of you know I've been a vegetarian for the majority of my life, and something that I've always been asked is, what do you eat at Thanksgiving dinner? My daughter Jillian's also a vegetarian, and we don't eat any poultry, meat, or fish. So our Thanksgiving plates would consist of everything on the table with the exception of the turkey and the gravy. My husband handles everything that goes on with the turkey, and I cook my stuffing separate so it doesn't come from the bird. If you've ever wondered what vegetarians eat on Thanksgiving Day, that's pretty much it, and we always leave room for dessert. Today, I'm participating in the Thanksgiving Tiered Tray friend collab, and it's hosted by my friend Carol from My Blessed Nest. Her channel is full of thrifting, DIYs, trash to treasure, and decorating on a budget. Please check out the other friends that are participating in this collab. I'll link their channels below along with the playlist in my description. I'm so very thankful for each and every one of you, and I hope you share a happy Thanksgiving with your family and friends. I just bought this 3-tiered farmhouse tray at Hobby Lobby. It was originally $50, and luckily I came upon a 50% off sale, so I got it for $25. I also bought the wooden word cutouts. They were $1.49 a piece, and luckily it was still 50% off, so I only paid 75 cents each. The flat bottom of the words sat perfectly on the flat edges of my tray, and I hope you enjoy how I decorated it for Thanksgiving. These cute little mice were my mom's, and when she passed, I made sure to add them to my collection. Not only are they adorable, but every time I see them, it reminds me how much I love and miss my mom. I hope you enjoyed my Thanksgiving tiered tray, and I hope that each and every one of you have a happy Thanksgiving with your family and friends. I'll see you all very soon. Bye, everybody.